Here are some of the best Apple Watch Series 10 tips, tricks, and hidden features that you need to try. First up is Find My. You can use it to locate your iPhone in seconds. Just open the control center and tap on Find iPhone icon. It will start pinging your iPhone and show you how far you are from it. The distance updates in real time, increasing as you move away and decreasing as you come closer. And once you're nearby, the watch even points you in the right direction. Plus, if you're in a dark environment, you can make your iPhone's flashlight go off along with the sound. It is super handy. If you're into swimming or diving, this one's for you. The Depth app automatically activates when submerged and shows you your current depth, water temperature, and duration underwater. On the left side, it shows the depth in feet, and on the right side, it shows the depth in meters. This highlighted marker shows you the maximum depth you've reached. It's accurate, easy to read, and perfect for swimmers and divers. Another cool app I tried on the Series 10 is the Translate app, and to be honest, I am really impressed with this one. It supports many languages like Spanish, Japanese, Russian, German, and many more. Using this app, I can have a two-way conversation in real time, and the translations are very fast and accurate. What's even better is that you can download these language packs and use them offline without being dependent on the internet connection. To learn more about this app, you can check out this related video. Did you know that you can take screenshots on your Apple Watch? To enable it, open Watch Settings and go to General. Scroll down, select Screenshots and enable this toggle button. Now, simply press the digital count and the side button together to capture a screenshot. It's great for saving your workout data, achievements, or just sharing your daily activity. These screenshots will directly appear on the Photos app in your connected iPhone. The speaker of the latest Series 10 is not only more compact, more loud, but also more capable. You can now directly play music on your Apple Watch through the speaker. It's perfect for quick listening sessions or when you don't have your AirPods nearby. Plus, it works with third-party music streaming services like Spotify and YouTube Music. To learn how to set up or use offline Spotify on your Apple Watch, you can check out this video. I know that Apple Watches have a double tap feature which lets you control the watch hands-free, but it has its limitations, like snoozing an ongoing alarm or navigating through the stacks. And it's not supported on every screen. But Assistive Touch doesn't have any such limitations. You can use it on any screen to perform any action on the watch. Using it, I can navigate anywhere on the watch and perform any action. You can turn it on by going to Accessibility Settings, Assistive Touch, and turning on the toggle button. It's awesome for using your Apple Watch when one of your hands is preoccupied. Next, Remote Control app. Using it, you can control the camera of your iPhone even if it is far away from you. It's pretty useful for taking group photos as you can check the framing to see if anyone's going off camera. Plus, you can use it to see in places where you normally cannot. Give it a try. Did you know that you can also use your Apple Watch Series 10 to airdrop your contacts? Just bring your watch close to someone else's iPhone or Apple Watch and you can quickly share your contact information. It's fast, secure, and way cooler than typing out your number. You can turn it on by going to General Settings, then Airdrop and turning on the toggle button. Next up, the check-in feature on the Apple Watch lets you automatically notify a friend or family member when you arrive at a location or if you're delayed. It's a safety-focused tool built into the Messages app that's especially useful when traveling alone or heading to an unfamiliar place. To use it, open a conversation in Messages, tap on the plus icon, select Check-in, choose your destination or expected time, and send it. Your contact will be notified once you arrive safely or alert if something seems off, like unexpected delays or no movement. You can now also use the check-in feature on the Workout app, which is very useful if you like to do trail running, cycling, or hiking. The check-in feature on the Apple Watch Series 10 can definitely be a potential lifesaver. Just bear in mind that you can only use the check-in feature with your friends who own an iPhone. It won't work with Android users. Last but not the least, you can now pause your activity rings on the Apple Watch. This feature is perfect for those days when you're feeling a little under the weather or simply taking a well-deserved break. By pausing the rings, you won't lose your hard-earned streak and all the move-related notifications will be temporarily disabled. It's a thoughtful addition that gives you more flexibility without the pressure of closing your activity rings every single day. To pause the rings, just open the Activity app, tap on the rings, and select Pause Rings. Now, select whether you want to pause them for the day, for the week, for the month, or set a custom duration. So, those were some of the coolest Apple Watch Series 10 tips and hidden features. Do try them and let me know in the comments which one did you like the best. Also, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Wearaholic for more wearable videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.